guys, welcome to the Crafty Cue channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy balloon garland, only using balloons, scissors, and string. There's no sewing, there's no needle and thread. It's super easy and inexpensive. So let's get started. Some of the things you'll need are balloons, scissors, and string. So once you blow up your balloons, all you have to do is take your scissors and punch a hole through the end of each of your balloons. So as you can see, there's a hole at the end of the balloon where it's tied. So you have to go through and do this for each of your balloons. It's easier if you have some scissors that have like a pointy end. It makes it a lot easier to punch the hole through the actual balloons. So once you're done punching the holes through the ends of your balloons, take your string. Your string length can actually just be however long you want it to hang on your wall. So the very first thing to do is just measure the length of string that you want, and then you can start adding your balloons to that. All right, so all you have to do is take your string and go through the hole that we punched through. Oop. Just slide your balloons on. Alright, so I'll show you a picture of how this actually looks hung up. I'm going to continue to add a few more balloons to the string, so it's actually a little bit more fuller, because you can't really tell right here, but that'll be in the next slide. Alright, thank you.